I'm Brittany Lewis with Forbes Breaking News. The Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade in one of the most stunning reversals in the modern era of the High Court. Friday's decision gives states the license to ban abortion and paves the way for abortion to be largely outlawed in likely half of states. GOP lawmakers and leaders have applauded the move, calling it a, quote, historic victory. Listen in to hear more reactions from Republican lawmakers.
This is a win for the pro-life movement. With the Supreme Court ruling today to take the unconstitutional Roe versus Wade and push it back down to the states where it rightly deserves to be, thousands of innocent babies have been saved with this ruling. Our prayers have been answered, and again, this is a fantastic day for life.
This is so awesome, oh my gosh. I can't believe they just did it. This is so amazing. I'm trying not to cry. I'm U.S. Senator Marsha Blackburn, and just so truly thrilled to congratulate the pro-life movement on our historic victory in the Dobbs versus Jackson Women's Health Organization. For almost 50 years, we've taken our stand for life. It's been against a rising tide of moral decay, but with courage and dedication, we built a society that cherishes life at all stages. I want to offer my gratitude to the advocates, the lawmakers, the sidewalk counselors, the doctors, and other compassionate hearts who worked so hard to guide America into her post-Roe era. The Supreme Court has confirmed that Roe v. Wade was a blatant act of judicial activism that put the fate of the unborn in the hands of unelected judges. Now, at last, that authority is back with the states where it belongs, and we, the people, have the power to make our voices heard by voting. On behalf of the 63 million babies we lost to Roe's culture of death, I call on each of you to keep up that fight. Here in Washington, I will champion the pro-life movement with a resolution reaffirming Congress's commitment to providing women with the resources they need to choose life and to help their children thrive. I encourage you to join us by making a personal commitment to stand for life in your homes, your communities, and in the halls of your state legislature. Our work is far from over, but with your help, we will affirm once and for all the sanctity of life for all Americans. May God bless you all.
Hi everyone, Congressman Jody Hice here, coming to you live from Washington, D.C. You're probably just hearing the news that the Supreme Court has come out with a decision on Roe v. Wade. We could not be more thrilled that the protection of life is being upheld and that Roe has been overturned. So we're excited today in understanding two things. Number one, that this is a great day for life, a great day for America, but this is also the beginning of a great battle that now turns to the states. We all recognize that the value of life is important. It's one of the most important battles we can engage in, and there are two lives involved. There's the life of the mother, and there's the life of the baby. And the radicals on the left are determined to continue abortion all the way through full-term pregnancy. And now that battle is going to the states. So as we pray now for our country, for the protests that undoubtedly are about to begin nationwide, to the battles that will begin in state legislatures all across the nation, I ask for you to join me in prayers as we go forward from this point, and today as we celebrate a great.
Congressman Don Norcross here. Over my shoulder you can see the Supreme Court in the background, where they just announced a decision that, quite frankly, I never thought I would hear in my lifetime. Taking away the fundamental right to privacy for women, and quite frankly, it will be for men in a number of other decisions. But taking away the ability for women to make a decision on their body. overturning Roe v. Wade. It's a sad day in this country when you can pack a court, essentially picking the judge that makes the decision you want. That's not the way our forefathers designed our great country. A sad day. A very sad day in this country.
Now, who's fighting for a national abortion ban that protects life at conception? So with that, we have Congressman Bob Good from Virginia's 5th District.
Is this the pro-life generation? You will remember this day for the rest of your lives. The worst Supreme Court decision in the history of the court has finally, after nearly 50 years, been overturned. The only decision in the history of the court that's cost over 60 million lives. And because of people like you, these justices had the courage to do what they did today, or the decisions that got released today. Thank you for fighting for the most noble cause of all. There's no more important cause than the cause of life. Thank you, and God bless you. And I'm Bob Good from Virginia's 5th District. I want you to know that even today, I'm fighting to get the Life at Conception Act on the floor for a vote. We want to have every Republican and frankly any pro-life leaning member of Congress to actually come on record as supporting life from conception, banning all life, because we recognize banning all abortion, because we recognize the science that life begins at conception, and the 14th Amendment provides protection for all life. So we're fighting for that Life at Conception Act. Thank you so much for being here today. Thanks for helping us get to where we are today. God bless you. The real work begins now. Thank you so much.
Today is a historic day for this country. Today is a day for which millions of Americans, myself included, have worked and prayed. Today, the United States Supreme Court has overturned Roe v. Wade, a turning point in our nation's history that will undoubtedly save millions of lives and open the door to greater legal protections for the unborn. I am grateful to all the pro-life Americans who have, for years, tirelessly defended the rights of unborn human beings. Today is the first day toward a new and brighter future, and I am grateful the justices have decided to return this issue to the American people and their elected representatives where it belongs.